Hello traders. I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to share with you best Forex trading strategy. First we open GBP/AUD in 1 hour time frame. This strategy we need two indicators. First PPO indicator. And second Coppock curve indicator. If PPO indicator cross black zero level line upward, with extra confirmation Coppock curve indicator cross black zero level line upward, then we take buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. Set stop loss previous low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my strategy, please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.